Beautiful chrome.
Alright guys, Bearded Guidesmen here with a snub-nosed hen steelhead. Gonna show you how to head, gut, and fillet the steelhead.
First, you check out how much grass you got. Get her up on the dusty shop table here.
You start at the vulva, or the anus.
Head forward. Oop, watch out. We're gonna take the guts out. First though, we're gonna extract the gold. Reach over to the other side, flick it over, reach forward. Make sure we get the tip. Looks good, looks good. Alright.
Go in just under the head, the gills. Ooh, got a little bit of gill plate. Down through the spinal cavity. Off to the furnace it goes. Now we've successfully opened the gut cavity and headed the steelhead. I'm gonna cut down to the mud vein here. Next side here. Extract our guts.
Off to the wood burner it goes.
Alright, we'll tip the fin up, start right down next to the spine, as you can see the spine here.
Right down through the ribs. Across the top of the backbone, make sure you feel the knife edge on the spine.
Wow! There it is. That's one side. A little bit of eggage hanging.
A little more gold.
I love the sound of ribs breaking. My knife blade passes through them. My precious.
Another beautiful fillet. Spinal column.
I like to eat them.
Hey Fred,
Some people don't.
let's go home.
I do.
Hey Fred, you up that ribs, and I'll go down in the swamp. We're here at the Wexford Hunting Rock Out.
Finish and fillet.
Hey Fred, you see all them pigs tonight? Yeah, I know.
Well, how's the
In the
sushi
wind.
grade on that? Those eggs there,
That
buddy.
one's still alive. Hey Fred,
Let's do some testing. These are from the smaller, more colorful hen. Better looking meat. Rich. Good flavor. Now these are the larger fish, the larger hen. A little more pale. Oh.
You're wasting food.
Not as flavorful.